everyone, good day. Today is December 30, 2:20 p.m. and my plan for today is to just hang out with my friends, and we're going to be having like a late lunch together because we haven't seen each other in such a long time, and since it is semester break, we decided to meet up and catch up, a little update on our lives. So come along with me, and yeah. Alright, since today's theme is cream or apricot, this is what I'm wearing for today. Boom, let's go.
Like this? Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love that. Welcome to Chad's channel! Get together, bago siya masalit. Ano oras na? 4:23. For the feast. I love it.
I would be watching the live Shibuya at Tokyo every New Year's, and currently it is 11 p.m. here, so it's 12 a.m. now in Tokyo. Look over there. Happy New Year in Japan. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year! Happy New Year's, everyone! Happy 2025, everyone. It feels kind of weird that it's a new era now, it's a new year, because I feel like 2024 came by really, really fast. But I'm excited for this new year and also for this channel, since I do have a new camera, and with this camera it's really motivating me to really post more consistently. I really want to be able to post more weekly videos, so yeah, I'm excited for that. But in the meantime, while we're talking about the new year, I am going to be cutting my bangs because they did get a little long. Let's do that while we're yapping together. I feel like for this new year, don't mind the mess I'm currently doing right now, but from 2024, last year, I learned a lot of lessons and new things about me, but my main goal for this new year is to really have more peace of mind and to just go with the flow, because I feel like I pressured myself into having these goals, which is really important to have goals, obviously, but I feel like I really focused on that too much, and I definitely want to be able to go with the flow instead and enjoy my life and enjoy the things I have right now instead of focusing too much on the future, because that is definitely what's pressuring me from last year. And I still have another year of school, so there's that. But since it is still a bit early for me, I just want to be able to enjoy the company that I have, the friends that I have. That's pretty much it. It's just, I just want to be able to live a more simple life, you know, and enjoy while it lasts. Anyways, I hope everyone enjoyed their 2024, and yeah, I'm gonna finish cutting this because I haven't even cut my bangs yet. Alright, so today's plan, I am going to be meeting up with my day ones, my friends that I've been friends with since I moved here, so it makes sense to see them on the 1st of 2025, so yeah. mag-hi ka.